All right, we're recording again.
Well, we're actually sailing this time.
Yeah.
We still have no wind.
But
Well,
we're sailing.
Hey, we actually do have some wind.
Somehow we're moving.
Got our pirate flag flying.
Upside down.
What?
Upside down.
Knucklehead. You're the one that put it on there.
Hey, I didn't put. I helped.
It's your fault.
You're fired.
You're fired.
You can't fire me.
We can make you. We can push you overboard.
Yeah. Make you walk the plank.
We haven't really got wet yet. Those are pretty ominous looking clouds.
Sure got humid though. I can feel it. It's real wet.
The night was moist. Yeah, you're funny.
There we go. That's better.
You're supposed to be on the high side, Knucklehead.
He wants to feel it lean.
Yeah, he's gonna
With
get.
the amount of wind we got,
Yeah.
this is about as much lean as we're gonna
Yeah,
get.
watch a gust come and he goes in. That'd be funny.
Let me show you how I lean like a cholo.
Lean like a cholo.
Hey, there we go. We got something going a little bit here. Do I adjust the sail a little bit? Mainsail?
No, it's right. Okay, it's fine. Flag it. Oh, until Jay moved. Oh shit. There's not enough wind to be moving around like that.
That really changes the way it works, doesn't it?